your kaholo. 3 steps in a hole, to the right and to the left. We lead with the arm in the same direction. The other one comes across your chest. Make sure you close your feet up every time you step. Don't step wide. So you're going to go.
What was
Step.
that command?
Pardon me?
What was that command?
Holo.
Holo. Alava.
We know her that. Alava?
Alava. Okay. Keep your feet closed. So you're going to go step together, step, close it up. Step together, step, close it up. So you're not going step together, step, step together, step. Close it up, close it up, close it up. Back together. Here we go. Hold on. Step together, step to the right. Close your foot up. Step the other way. Close it up. Together. Step together. Step the other way. Step together. Step the other way. Step together. Step the other way. Step together. Make sure you bring it together on the 4th count. So it's 1, 2, 3. You're together. Your feet are together. 1, 2, 3 together. Okay, here we go again. What is there? Hold on. Step together. Step the other way. Step together. Keep your knees bent and your hips pulled up. Keep going. Great. Hands across your chest. We're going to do an ambi. An ambi is a circle of the hips. It's done in Hawaiian and Polynesian dancing. We're going to do 4 to the right. Whatever we do to the right, we do to the left. 4 to the right, 4 to the left. Bend your knees. When you do your arm, you let your knees work you. So if you're going to go around, it's almost like riding a bicycle. Your knees are going to go with you. So instead of coming here, let your knees work you, like riding a bicycle. All the way around, all the way around, all the way around, all the way around. Okay, here we